Oh, okay. I don't have to tip you, do I?
Just a tip.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
Good deal detected.
Spicy.
Hello everybody, it's P-Dog, and as you can tell, I'm all stocked up on ammo, and it's a good time to be trigger happy. Something new I discovered at the field today. They're handing out ATV rides like free candy minus the butt touching, and orange is a bad color. I dare you to ask me if an orange shirt was a good idea. Go ahead. I'm sure you're very curious. Keep on going, keep on going. Ah! Oh god. I'm pulling you, baby. Okay. So I'll make sure. Or for my non-sniper teammates to move up first. Nope.
I swear if they're all in the cabin.
It might be. I'm gonna go all the way around. Okay. Windows open, middle, left, square. Oh, shit. Move into the big tree. Hey guys, that tree in the middle, that big one, they're all out. Oh, this is my kind of spot. Oh shit. Right in the glasses. Gotcha. Dang! Dang! That was fun. Left side of the window! He might be hit, I don't know. If he comes out, that's him. Okay.
I saw that going horribly wrong.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, I'm just covering it.
Oh, okay. They get him? Window's gone! Shit. Woo! Hit! Coming out! Coming out! I'll take that trade. Yeah, okay.
You got a sniper rifle with a scope?
Yeah.
Can you put something on that bunker window?
Can you see it from where you are? I can't see it from where I am.
From here?
No, too much bush.
Right, directly behind me.
Yeah?
The guy behind me, he's got bead on it.
Does he have a scope or is he just...
No, we need a scope on that.
Move back! Move back! Back there? Hey. Can you see?
There's one guy at bunker. I cannot see anything though. I'm on iron sight.
I think over here might be better. Oh, I can see maybe.
Yet to see a person, and I'm getting shot the whole time. So. Yeah, I'll stop shooting if he doesn't hide.
There's one little window, but he's not using it.
But he's in there for sure?
I mean, apparently.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna go around and push the bunker and ravine. Okay. Watch out. Oh my god.
Someone might be running.
I feel like it's around a marathon.
Oh shit.
I want to go behind that tree.
I haven't seen anyone, but I've seen two people get shot in this area.
I'm gonna use my last life. Here we go. Ravine's clear! Ravine's clear! Armbands! Hit! I'm hit! Coming up! Ah, well, clear enough for a push, I guess. Well, maybe the ravine wasn't clear after all. Maybe I should have kept quiet. Or maybe I shouldn't have worn an orange shirt and made myself look like a bush pumpkin. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you see me out there, don't be a stranger. Unless you're in an ATV offering candy. I'll pass.